man named Abraham. God told him to go to Earth. And he didn't want to, but he followed God. And everybody came. Not everybody wanted to go, but they had to. We find the little pipes were taken off. Oh, here's another pipe. You turn the TV on with that? Sure. He brought his He brought his donkey, who didn't want to go, but he had to follow too. Picture the donkey and stuff. Moving along, and he brought his sheep, and none of the animals wanted to go, but they followed. He's holding the bed. And he brought on his camel. And his camel did not want to go either, but everybody had to go. Even the ones that did not want to go. Want another photograph of that? Do ya? So I'm going to do a few more. Okay. Now it's going to be here. Where's the man named Abraham? He liked God. And one day, God told him to go to Earth. And he didn't want to, but he had to go. Oh well. And even if he didn't want to go, he went. He just went. Instead of saying, I don't want to, he just went. It was a kind of fun journey, but not that fun. He always tried to turn back, but God was right behind him. So he turned back to get in and his wife. And they were already getting ready to go in. They were going to go. They didn't want to go this journey either, but they had to. Every single one went. Get my thing up. And everyone always went. But the ones that didn't want to go, they still went. They went. Let me get all my animals. And then they got all their animals, and they were walking down so fast they got so mixed up, and they walked one behind the other so they could stay together. That is the end of this little play. You should see it some other day. We should say hi. If you want to see it soon, just say when it's noon. You come back and you'll see this, everything. You'll see right now. Stay here now. Just turn your camera off, and you'll have another photographs. And today is the end of all of the photograph laugh. All done now.